Welcome to the tutorial for our new sunflower coaster. Now, what I think makes this so special is these gorgeous 3D sunflowers. Whenever I look at it, I just feel so much joy, and it's just such a happy little piece to have in your space. Now, the inspiration for the design was sort of like a little row of sunflowers growing in a garden, which is why I've sort of created this shape that feels like a layered garden. Whilst it has these tall, lovely sunflowers at the front, if you turn it around, it actually has so much detail, including the two bobble yarn pieces at the back, and then this gorgeous shaggy hair moss in these really rich orange colors. When you flip it over, it sort of feels like a little garden path through a cottage garden. So we have the brown feather yarn at the back here, which replicates the dirt that you might find where you plant your flowers. Then we have the lush light green. Then we have this little path, and also these tiny little details here. These are optional, tiny little details here too, to kind of make it feel natural and overgrown. Now, I hope you have a blast creating your moss coaster, and I can't wait to see your pieces.